Stacey Wilson, intake coordinator over at the great team. Together We Can is the organization, and you're here for good reason, Stacey. We're talking about Recovery Day happening this Saturday, and I mean, this is an organization, this is a cause very near and dear to your heart. Tell us about your personal story, the sacrifice, and the good work you do now.
Well, personal story-wise, I was an entrepreneur, commodity broker, lived an interesting life, but unfortunately due to addiction I was brought to my knees, literally had to lose everything before I came to my senses. I sought recovery and help and am here today.
And when you get to that point where you realize you need help, what was the defining moment for you to be able to push forward in the recovery aspect and move forward in a positive way?
For me it was pretty dramatic. I actually had a suicide attempt, and fortunately it failed. That was enough to wake me up and take a look at my life and what I had done to myself and to my family and my friends, and make a phone call for help and to get into treatment.
And that's a powerful moment to be able to have that courage to ask for help and then turn things around. And now that you are the intake patient coordinator over Together We Can, when I look at your example, I think this is amazing because now you are helping people who are going through a similar process. What is the starting point for someone that is battling addiction, realizes they're ready to make that call? If you want to support them, what is the starting point?
Well, it's a matter of accessing help. You know, as you mentioned, I'm intake coordinator at Together We Can. I have a wonderful job where I can provide and be available as a resource to family members or to individuals that do require help. They need to make a phone call. We try to make things easy so they can access services. You know, at Together We Can, we provide help for families. We have a family program. We make ourselves available. That's our philosophy. Anyone that calls Together We Can, we help.
And how do we just be a support? What are the questions we can ask? If I knew someone that was battling addiction, what can I do to support in that process?
Well, you can phone Together We Can. You can seek out resources that are available in the community. There are support groups that are available. There's Al-Anon, there's Nar-Anon, there are trained addictions professionals. They're out there. The more education one can get, the better off they are, in a better position to help.
Mm-hmm. And what is realistic going through this sort of process? I can only imagine relationships are strained as, you know, the person battles to recover in their lifestyle. What is realistic with the expectations of repairing those relationships and getting things back to where they were?
For myself, I was always told you can't have expectations on other people's behavior. So as a recovering addict, I can only control what I can do for myself. I take things one day at a time. You know, I try to do the best I can for myself, and I hope that at some moment my family and friends will be able to allow me back into their lives. For me, that took longer than some, but that was primarily due to the severity of my addiction. For others, it happens quickly. The reality of addiction is that the family suffers as much, if not more, than the addict in question. And so the sooner a family can get help and begin to heal, the better for everyone involved.
And that's a great point, to support those supporting, you know, those battling recovery and addiction. And I know you have programs over at Together We Can for that too. Now, Saturday is an important day about community, about conversation. Tell us about what's going to happen with Recovery Day.
So Recovery Day actually is happening across Canada in 17 cities over the month of September. Here in Vancouver, it's Saturday, September 13th. It's happening at Queen Elizabeth Plaza from 12 to 3. It's an opportunity for friends, for Canadians struggling with addiction, families to get together and celebrate the power of recovery.
And the website for Together We Can, twcvancouver.org, recoveryday.ca is the website if you want to find out more about Saturday's event. Thanks for coming on, Stacey. And I guess final question, final point for you, greatest reward for doing what you do now?
My family back.
And I know they're watching right now.
That they are.
So the Wilson family, good to have you with us, and you're a great example of what is possible. Thanks, Stacey.
Thank you
for sharing the story.